Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. And no, I'm not some crazy middle-aged white guy filming a conspiracy video from the seat of my car. That's kind of what you see, right? And this is not a big truck. So I'm in a 2021 Subaru Outback. It is daylight savings time, and I am wondering how to change the clock in here, probably like some of you. So let's get this camera turned around. I'll show you the real quick and easy way to do this. Get everyone out of here. And maybe you get some time back, but I doubt that, man, because daylight savings time is the worst. All right, so let's take a quick look. I'll get you guys out of here. All right, so here we are. We are at our center console display, right? So what we're gonna do real quick, we're gonna go down here, identify this, settings. All right, go to your settings, push that. And sorry, my display is kind of dirty. I did not plan on shooting this video. Clock, we hit the clock button right there, boom. And then time setting. Now you can also do 12 or 24 hour here. Unless you're a psycho, keep it on 12 hours, man. We're not in the military anymore. All right, so what we're looking at here, you've got your date, that looks correct. And then down here, you got your time, super simple. Go back 1 hour, we got it 8:30 now. We hit okay, and we hit X out of here. And let's back up and take a look. We got 8:30 right here. Oh, and we got a little Loose Lucy from Grateful Dead, 73, Lincoln, Nebraska. All right, so that's it. The real quick and easy way to change the clock on a 2021 Subaru Outback or a 6th generation Outback. Hope you are listening to some Grateful Dead out there, having a great day. Be kind to each other. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you later. Peace.